first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on a Frigidaire side by side. As you see on the picture, this is the way if you can guys determine if you have the same one or similar. And this is the logo of Frigidaire. Next, we have the model number on the display. And we're going to go ahead and start by removing the bottom panel to check and see where this water leak can be coming from. As you see, this has a couple tabs. Just try to pull it out and it will come right out. Next, go ahead and check for any signs of leak. There is a tube and we have a connection there. Everything looks good around here. I don't see any water on the floor, or I don't see any tubing or drain pan leaking. However, it might be your case, and if you don't have anything there, just put everything back like it was. Now we're gonna go to the back and we're gonna go ahead and remove everything, because I saw a spot right there where it's leaking and it looked like it's coming from underneath. So we have to remove the water valve and get to this drain pan. Now if you see the drain pan, it looks like it sweats. It's a condensation around the drain pipe, and as you see right there is going to the bottom of the refrigerator. And the way we're going to go ahead and repair this is it's not going to be any parts needed. That is just condensation, and it looked like the manufacturer didn't do a very good job right there. So all the water sweats and it goes to the floor. First thing we're going to do is make sure it's not clogged, and just grab like a turkey base plunger and then just pour some water down the drain to remove the possibility that it could be clogged. As you see on the video, just plunge it, make sure it's not clogged. In this case, it was not clogged, it was just condensation around, and then it leaks to the floor. I don't know if this is a manufacturing problem, but we're gonna go ahead and resolve it by just putting some Plumber putty and around to avoid any condensation going in the floor. I see some of the GE models bring this around the tubing, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this putty to prevent this drain line from leaking. Again, just make sure it's not clogged, because it is a P-trap like a U, as you see on the right hand side. It could be clogged, and that could be your case, but in this case it's just condensation. We're gonna put some putty around, and this should do the job. I'm putting some extra putty to avoid a customer from calling back saying that it's still dripping. Just make sure you push it all the way in, like so. After you secure all the putty in place and it will make it stop from leaking, just go ahead and put your water valve. I was trying to do this repair by myself, so just bear with me. I was recording with my iPhone, so that's why the image looked tilty, but I hope I can help you resolve your refrigerator leaking problem. Just make sure all your tubing goes the same way. Try not to mess too much with the water valve tubing because you can create an issue with the piping going inside your water valve. Remember, these water valves are self-topper, so you push it in and it's a piece of rubber that seals everything. If you play too much with it, you can create a leak where it was no leak from the beginning. So just try to be careful and gentle with all these water tubings. After you got everything back, I try to clean the coil as much as I can. I don't got that on camera, but I try to clean them much as I can. Put your panel, the front panel back on, and this should resolve your refrigerator leaking problem. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.